Hi students, this is Mr. Eckerd, and I just made this short video to help any students who might have a little trouble. Perhaps maybe English was not your native language, or perhaps maybe you just have a little bit of trouble with reading, even though English was your native language. So just wanted to show you some features that some of these you might already be aware of, and some you might not. But this is a document here that we'll be using as an assignment for at the beginning of the year. And as you scroll down, you'll see on this question number 7 here, which says, what 3 important circuits are developing in your brain during your teenage years? And you notice that the word circuits is kind of highlighted there and underlined. So there's a live or active link associated with it, and you'll notice when I click on it, you can go to this Google page, and you'll notice this is just the Google search, and you can see that I put in circuits meaning, and so you get a definition of the word circuit from the dictionary. And again, some of you may already use this feature already for any word that you don't know. But you can see that down here it says translations and more definitions. This you may or may not be aware of, so if you click on this, you can see this particular word beyond the first 2 definitions, which it had already listed. It has some other definitions which now you can see and read. But then, and this is what I wanted to show those of you especially who perhaps English was not your native language, you can see under origin it tells you translate circuits to, and then you can choose language. So if you click on that, you can see, boy, there's a whole lot of other languages that you can translate this to. So for example, if you click Nepali, then it tells you the Nepali word for circuits. So this is a feature that you won't see on every single assignment that we do, but again, and when I say you won't see it, you won't see these words necessarily highlighted. Here's another example on this page of the word prune or pruned. You can do the same. You can click on it and get the dictionary definition of that word, and you can get more definitions and translate it to any other language. So if you find this helpful, please use this feature. If not, just ignore it. And as always, if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out to me.